Did you know most people use their phones for more than 5 hours every day? From checking emails to scrolling through social media, our phones have become an essential part of our daily lives. We rely on them for everything. They help us stay connected, informed, and entertained. But sometimes our phones feel small. The screens can be hard to read, and the limited space makes multitasking a challenge. We struggle to multitask on them. Switching between apps can be frustrating and time-consuming. That's where the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes in. This innovative device unfolds to reveal a larger screen, giving you more space to work and play. It's not just a phone, it's a productivity powerhouse. With its expansive display, you can easily run multiple apps side by side. Let's dive into its hidden features. From the ability to use a stylus for precise input to the seamless multitasking capabilities, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is designed to enhance your productivity. You'll be amazed by what this phone can do. It's time to unfold a new level of productivity with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. The Z Fold 6 is a game changer in the world of smartphones. It unfolds seamlessly into a mini tablet, offering a larger screen for all your needs. This transformation opens up a world of possibilities for productivity, making multitasking easier than ever. Imagine having two apps open side by side, allowing you to work on multiple tasks simultaneously. You can effortlessly drag and drop content between them, streamlining your workflow. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to what this device can do. Samsung has packed this phone with numerous hidden features that enhance its functionality. These innovative features will change the way you work and play, making your life more efficient and enjoyable. We've all been there. You're trying to answer an email on your phone, but you also need to reference a document. Switching between apps is a pain. Small screens limit what we can do. The Z Fold 6 solves this problem with its innovative design and software. It's all about making multitasking effortless. Unlocking efficiency hidden features of the Z Fold 6. This device is packed with innovative features that enhance your productivity and make your daily tasks easier. One of the coolest features is app pairing. This allows you to streamline your workflow by launching two apps at once. You can pair your favorite apps together, like your email and calendar or social media and messaging apps. They will launch simultaneously in split-screen mode, making multitasking seamless and efficient. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to get more done in less time. Flex mode is another game changer. It transforms the way you interact with your device. Fold the phone halfway and it acts like a mini laptop. This is perfect for on-the-go productivity. You can watch videos on the top half and take notes on the bottom half, making it ideal for students and professionals alike. The Z Fold 6 takes multitasking to a whole new level. With its advanced features, you can handle multiple tasks effortlessly, making it a powerful tool for both work and play. The Z Fold 6, more than a phone. But here's the standout feature, the S Pen integration. The S Pen is now more responsive and accurate. You can use it for note-taking, drawing, and even controlling presentations. Imagine marking up documents and signing contracts directly on your phone. The S Pen unlocks a new level of creativity and productivity. Unleash your productivity with the Z Fold 6. The Z Fold 6 is packed with hidden productivity features, from app pairing to flex mode and the amazing S Pen integration. This phone is a game changer. Don't let these features remain hidden. Explore them. You'll be amazed by how much more productive you can be. Join the Fold revolution. What are your favorite Z Fold 6 features? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to check out our other videos on the Z Fold 6. We have tips and tricks to help you get the most out of this incredible device.